Hello, fourth graders. Today is November 17th, 2021. I thought I'd go over multiplying fractions with you today. So let's start with 3/12 times 9. When I multiply fractions by whole numbers, I multiply the numerator, or the top number, by the whole number. So 9 times 3 is 27. Keep the denominator of 12 the same. Let's move over and try 3/4 times 9. I also want you to know that any whole number can be made into a fraction by simply putting a 1 under it. So when you're multiplying fractions, it's like 3 times 9 equals 27. And then multiply the bottom numbers. 4 times 1 is 4. So you can put the 1 there. You don't have to. Up to you.